Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on POCO X7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Then click on Data and Privacy, and now you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And now your account should be removed. So let's open, for example, Google Play Store and click Sign in. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now I have to click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And then click I agree. And now I have to scroll down and click Accept. Click Get Started and click Use Password. And now, as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.